In a world where technology drives sustainability, the Internet of Things is transforming how we interact with resources, industries, and the environment. Welcome to the future of the circular economy. The Internet of Things connects physical and digital systems, enabling real-time data collection and decision-making. In the circular economy, IoT powers systems that reduce waste, optimize resources, and drive efficiency across industries. In smart cities, IoT revolutionizes how we manage resources. From traffic optimization to smart waste management, IoT ensures that cities operate efficiently and sustainably, reducing emissions and conserving energy. Smart grids, powered by IoT, balance energy supply and demand, integrating renewable sources like solar and wind. IoT sensors enable real-time monitoring, ensuring energy efficiency and reducing waste in the circular energy system. In manufacturing, IoT devices track resource use and optimize production processes, while connected logistics reduce transportation waste. These systems ensure that products are designed, delivered, and reused efficiently in a circular supply chain. In agriculture, IoT enables precision farming, reducing water use, improving crop yields, and minimizing environmental impact. By tracking resources, IoT ensures sustainable farming practices that align with circular economy principles. Recycling and waste management are transformed by IoT. Smart systems track material flows, optimize collection schedules, and improve sorting processes, ensuring that waste becomes a resource in the circular economy. IoT extends the life of products by monitoring performance and predicting maintenance needs. This ensures that devices remain functional longer, reducing the demand for new resources and minimizing waste. While IoT offers immense potential, challenges like data security and scalability must be addressed. Cybersecurity and AI-driven insights ensure that IoT systems remain safe, efficient, and adaptable in a global circular economy. The Internet of Things is more than technology. It's the enabler of a connected, sustainable future. By driving efficiency, reducing waste, and optimizing resources, IoT is at the heart of the circular economy. Explore how IoT can transform your industry and drive sustainability. Visit SolveForce today to learn more about IoT-powered solutions for a circular future. Visit solveforce.com to explore IoT and circular economy solutions for a connected and sustainable world.